Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, hello. My name is Brittany and my channel name is pronounced Bratterstein. Today's video, as I'm sure you can gather from the title and the thumbnail, is going to be my favorite video of the month to film, and that is going to be my Boxycharm unboxing for the month of January. January 2020. We are in the new year, and this is the first box, and I'm very excited to see what they're bringing this year because they always bring it, and I want them to continue to bring it. For those of you who do not know what Boxycharm is, though I'm sure all of you do, because if you're here, you're looking for spoiler alerts or spoilers. There are spoiler alerts because this is a spoilers video because I'm showing you what's in my box. So I assume if you're here, you have Boxycharm, but if you don't, it's a $25 a month Beaute subscription service where each month they take $25 from your account and they send one of these big, beautiful boxes to any address of your choosing. I personally have regular Boxycharm and I also have Boxy Luxe 4 times a year. I'll have it all linked down below if you haven't signed up, which I'm sure you have, and you want to. So, down below for you. Before we get started, I would love if you could subscribe to my YouTube channel. I put on new videos every week. I usually get my Boxycharm pretty early in the month, so if you like spoilers, that's cool. And if you like pan videos, also cool. If you like to hear men coughing in the background, also cool. I've got all that going for you, and if you like this video or anything about it at any point, give it a like if you would like, because I would like to know what you like. And I think it's time that we just go ahead and get into this video. Do you want to do that? Let's do that. Let's do that right now. If you would like to see what I got in this month's Boxycharm, and I'm actually doing it as a try-on style, which I forgot to say, that's why I have nothing on my face, because I did give it a little peek-see, and I saw that there's almost a full face in here, so I'm going to try it all on camera for you so you can see how it actually performs. And if you want to see that, just keep on watching. Okay, let's go ahead and get on into this right now. Alright. Okay, so the first thing we have here is the card letting us know of the theme. The theme this month is Breaking the Ice, which is, you know, relative and true for a lot of people who actually have winter. I'm sure that this theme is fitting, but I live in Los Angeles, so our winter is apparently nothing to most, but anyway. On the back, on this side, it tells you everything about the products, how they work, what you use them for, the prices. I'm not going to look at it yet. I'm going to reference it as we go because I like to be surprised, even though I'm not surprised because I already opened the box, but anyway, let's just get into it. So this is the contents of the box right here, and now let's just go ahead and start getting into some items. The first one I see here is from the brand Pretty Vulgar. This is the Pretty Vulgar Undercover Concealer, and it retails for $25. I'm pretty excited that Boxycharm is now doing complexion products. They did have me take a test online to see, I guess, what my shade might be. This looks like it could match. It could also be a little light. So we're going to go ahead and apply this right now. Pretty Vulgar is a cruelty-free brand. I'll have all that information listed down below. If cruelty-free is important to you, it is important to me. I only use cruelty-free items, so if you are the same, you can use this. So let's go ahead and pop it on my face and see if it matches, blend it out, and get ready. If you're new here, I don't wear foundation. I haven't worn it in years, so I'm just going to pop this straight on the skin and hope that it's not too light, because I got to wear this makeup out today because I got a tattoo appointment in an hour. So let's put it on. You know, that color actually looks like it might be perfect. I don't know anything about this concealer. I've never heard anything about it. I've never seen a video on it, so let's hope that it doesn't dry down too quickly and that I didn't just screw myself. My husband sounds like he's dying in the shower. I'm so sorry. He's not usually this noisy. All right, let's blend. So that blends out really easily right into the skin. Let me look up close. Yeah, that's crazy. It doesn't even look like I have anything on. Did it do a difference? Is there a difference? I think there might be a little bit. It's definitely light coverage. Let me read the card and see what it says. Okay, it says it's a lightweight gel serum concealer formulated to be hydrating, buildable, and provide medium coverage for a natural flawless finish. Okay, that seems about right, which is good for me since I don't wear... Where did I put it? Back in the box. Since I don't wear foundation, I don't want anything high coverage, but I do want a little more coverage just in like this area because I'm a 31-year-old lady, and I got darkness right here. Pretty bad. I'm just gonna put it there. I'm actually gonna let it sit a second. I find that with some concealers, if you let it sit for just like a second, it tends to leave more coverage. I don't know how to explain it, but okay, now that I let it sit like, I don't know, 10 seconds, I'm gonna blend. But the shade match is actually perfect, which I appreciate. If anyone else got this, please let me know if they got your shade right. I don't know how many shades Pretty Vulgar has of this, but this matches me really good, really well. And this is something I could see myself wearing daily for work. Yeah, I like it. And again, that retails for $25, cruelty-free, and it matches. Hell yeah. Thank you, Boxycharm. Okay, so I quickly set my concealer with the Jeffree Star Magic Powder, and now we can move on to the next item. The next item I see in the box is another thing that we can use right now on camera. So this is from Wander Beauty, and it is their Trip for Two Blush and Bronzer Duo, and it retails for $36. Wander Beauty, again, I believe is cruelty-free. That information will be down below. Ooh, it says blush and bronzer, but it looks like blush and highlight. Am I tripping? Is that a bronzer? That is a very light bronzer. I'll try it, but looks pretty light. This is the shade Costa Ray, and this is Bellini. So let's put them on my face. Let's do that. It does say blush and bronzer. It just seems so light. I don't know. So let's go ahead and pop the bronzer on my forehead. My little baby forehead. Actually, you know, that does do something. It's very light, but can you see that? I can actually see that. Interesting. I can actually tell a difference with that bronzer. It's very natural and subtle. If you're any darker than me, this shade would not work for you. But if you're any lighter, I think it could work really well. There's a weird smell. Is that this? No, must be my brush. Should probably wash those, huh? I'm going to throw on highlight real quick, and then we'll put the blush over it, because I like to do my highlight before my blush. 1 second. Okay, now that we're sufficiently highlighted, which can we... It's so pretty. This is the Summer Haze highlighter from Artist Couture that we got in the prior Boxycharm box, and it's just like the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. But anyways, let's go ahead and pop on the blush so we can move on to the next product, because this is like my longest Boxycharm video ever. I never do try on styles anymore. Let me know if you prefer this to just showing the products and telling you. I thought it'd be fun to put it on and show you how it works. So let's put on some blush on my cheeks. Ooh, this is a pretty color. Do you see that? Ooh, I like that color a lot. Ooh! I've been such a blush person the last like year. I never liked blush before because I was like, oh, you already have red in your face, da da da. Like I used to be really insecure about my redness, which I don't really feel like I have anymore. So maybe that's why I don't mind it anymore. But now I just love blush. I feel like it really brings a look together. And that like looks really freaking cute. I really like this little duo. I don't typically love like this type of product. It's not something I gravitate towards, but I think I'm gonna keep this out because I feel like my skin just looks so nice right now. I'm really a big fan of both of these a lot. And again, this retails for, wait, $36. So that's already, this right here is more than the price of the box. So if you just liked this, get the box, you get all the other stuff for free. I think it's a pretty good deal. Do I want to contour today? Or do I want to stay soft? I'll decide at the end. Okay, the next thing in the box, I'm just going to pull out now because it's something we can't use right now, but that I'm really, really excited for. So this right here retails for $22 and is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. I have not tried this, but I have the pineapple serum and I really, really like it, and I have heard this smells like Jolly Ranchers, so I need to smell it right now. Oh, it smells, oh my god, so good. It smells exactly like a watermelon Jolly Rancher. Cat hair in my eyes. Who can relate? Oh! Anyways, it smells exactly like a watermelon Jolly Rancher, and it's a sleeping mask, so let me read about it and tell you what it's supposed to do. Okay, so it's supposed to do basically everything. It's supposed to refine your pores and make you soft and hydrate you with hyaluronic acid. And it says that it's a pillow-proof formula, which I'm curious as to what they mean by that. I'm assuming it won't like dirty up your pillow and it'll stay on your face. I'm really excited to use this. I'm gonna actually use it tonight, and I'll put something in the description box about what I think about it, but I'm really excited, and Glow Recipe is cruelty-free, so I can use it, and I'm excited to smell watermelon all night. When I put this on my face, my husband's gonna lose his mind because he loves watermelon, and this smells so good. So this is a good box so far. I'm sorry. I'm really excited. I'm really excited. This is why I love Boxycharm. Boxycharm is my favorite subscription service, which I've said many times, and now you see why. Like, come on. Okay, I'm back with earrings and eyebrows. My husband was doing his thing, so I decided to just like skip ahead a little bit. I forgot I wanted to wear these every day for the rest of my life. They're from Ana Luisa Jewelry. I'll link it down below if you're curious. One of my favorite true crime YouTubers, Stephanie Harlow, has been sponsored by them, which is what turned me on to them, and honestly, these are the best, cutest earrings I've ever worn in my life. So, moving on to the next item, which is an eyeshadow palette. Boxycharm is so good. I mean, if you don't like eyeshadow palettes, Boxycharm might not be so good because they give us a lot. Like, if you've ever seen my palette collection video, which I should do an update video on, let me know if you'd like to see that, because it's probably been about a year and I have decluttered and acquired new palettes since then, but a lot of them have come from Boxycharm. I should do a video just on like all the palettes we've gotten from Boxycharm that I still have. This is an idea. But anyway, let's go ahead and look at this one. This eyeshadow palette is from Ace Beauty. It is their Scarlet Dusk eyeshadow palette, and it retails for $34.99. Wow, this is very, very red. I'm not usually a red eyeshadow person. I don't feel like it compliments me, which I could be wrong. Maybe that's just me being weird because I just, you know, I don't like how I look in them, but other people have said it looks good. So I'm going to do a real quick eyeshadow look. I'm not going to do anything crazy because I am going out right after this. And I will do a quick look to show you how the shadows perform. So let's do that right now. Okay, so this is the eyeshadow look I was able to create with the Scarlet Dusk eyeshadow palette from Ace Beauty. I think it looks really pretty, actually. I usually am not, this is not usually my vibe, and it hasn't been my vibe lately. I've been leaning cool tone, strange as it may be, but I am into this, and I think it's really, really pretty, and I think it pairs well with the blush, which is why I did it. I'm quickly going to set my face, and then we'll move on to the last product in the box. Okay, now that we're all set, let's finish off the eyes with the last product in the box. So this is the Petite and Pretty Fully Feathered Volumizing Mascara. It says the brand is Petite and Pretty, but the font looks a lot like Pretty Vulgar, so I'm going to have to look online and see if they are connected, because it looks, the packaging looks the same, so I think it is. It just doesn't say that it is. I'll put it down below, let you know, or put it on the screen and let you know if it was or not. But this is a mascara, and it retails for $16. I don't believe it's full size. Maybe it is, but it's a little bit small to be full size. But I'm gonna go ahead and pop it on for you and hope that it's enough for these eyes, because I'm really picky with mascara. I've used the same one for years, and it is the Essence Lash Princess, best mascara of all time. High end, low end, doesn't matter. But let's go ahead and pop this one on and see how it looks. It says that it's supposed to lock and curl, so I'm not gonna curl my lashes. I'm just gonna put it on. I do like the applicator. It reminds me of the Marc Jacobs one. So let's pop this on. Okay, so here's the eye with one coat of mascara. I'm definitely a 2-coat person, but I just wanted to give you an idea of what it looks like in case you're a 1-coat person. But I'm going to put on another coat, and then I will show you the difference, and then I will do this eye. So, one second. Okay, and there's the eye with 2 coats. I think it looks nice. It's not like knocking my socks off or blowing me away, but again, I'm very picky with mascara. Maybe it'll get better as I use it, because that tends to happen with mascaras. It gets a little bit drier, but I think it looks nice. It's just Lash Princess is $5, and like this isn't better than Lash Princess for me right now, but I do like it. So let me go ahead and finish off this eye, and then we will round up and figure how much everything cost collectively and round off this video. One second. Okay guys, so this is the completed look I created with this month's Boxycharm items. I think that this month was so good, and the total retail value, by the way, was $134, and you pay $25. Almost every product in the box costs almost or over the price of the box, so it's kind of like I don't know. To me, Boxycharm is like a no-brainer. I feel like it's the best subscription service if you like makeup. I also love FabFitFun because I like to get lifestyle products, but I am so into makeup and skincare, and I think this might be bold to say, but this might be my favorite box that I've ever gotten, at least that I've gotten recently, because every single thing in the box I will use. The concealer match, look at how like great it looks now. Like, I feel like it matches really, really well. I actually really like this eye look, which I didn't think I would. The mascara was pretty good. I want to use it a little more and see if I like it better. I think it's great. I don't think it's better than my Lash Princess, but I'm very picky with mascaras, but I will use it. I like it, and it works really well on the lower lashes, which is something that I have trouble with Lash Princess because it can get a little too thick down there, because that is like a mascara, you know? The bronzer actually bronzed me, even though it looked like it wouldn't. The blush looks really, really pretty. This lip is a Wet n Wild one. I have a lip swatch video coming up after this one. So make sure to subscribe to see that, because they are like the best lipsticks ever, and they're only like $4, I believe. It's a perfect dupe for the Fenty Beauty Mademoiselle lipstick. So if you like those, you'll like these, so come back for that video. I think it's great. I think this look turned out really nice, and I'm not embarrassed to wear it out of the house, which is the goal. But anyways, guys, that completes this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you like this look. I hope if you got the box, you like everything in it. And I hope if you took the time to watch this video, it gave you what you wanted. And if you did like it, make sure to give it a like and to subscribe, because I'd love to have you hang out. My name is Brittany, which I think I said in the beginning. I should have said in the beginning. Make sure to introduce yourself down below, because I know your mom raised you well. You have a beautiful, wonderful mother, and I know she raised you to introduce yourself when you come to somebody's house. And you're in my bedroom right now, so you should definitely introduce yourself to me. But anyways, guys, that completes this video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me when you could be anywhere else in the world, and I hope to see you in my next one. Okay, bye.